Welcome back. Welcome back. It's the DMV Weave Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland. And today we're going to be talking about hair growth. This is one of our clients. This is her hair growth transformation. She started coming to us about, I would say probably 7 or 8 months ago. And we just want to let you know that these are realistic results. Not everyone stays with the program. And you see her hair is gradually starting to fill in. However, she did only come to the shop or to the clinic to receive treatments probably like 3 times. However, she's been using our products periodically in our CBD oil, and as you see, now she's able to get it cornrow. Before, she was unable to get it cornrow. And these are some of the final results. This particular client still deals with a lot of stress and does not get adequate sleep and is lacking with some of the dietary different suggestions that we offered her. So we just wanted to give you a more, people want to see if the different treatments really work. They do work, but they work when you become the most compliant with the program. If you are interested in receiving any more information about hair loss or nutrition, please feel free to DM us or to email us, book@perversionmaine.com.